Hello friends, welcome to Varalakshmi's physics classes. In this video, one of our subscriber requested to the dimensions of all these physical quantities. They are already in a channel, but I want to make in one video. Let us see one by one. The first one is work. Let us find the dimensions of work. Work done is equal to formula force into displacement. Here F is the force and S is the displacement. Again write the formula for force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration into, here it is, displacement. Now write the SI unit for each of the term. For mass, kilogram. For acceleration, meter per second square. And for displacement, meter. Which is equal to, here it is, kg. Meter into meter, meter square, and here it is second power minus 2. Now express the dimensional formula. Kg is expressed in terms of capital M, and here it is meter is expressed in terms of L. Here it is square is there, so L square into, this is second is expressed in terms of capital T, power minus 2. Again I am writing M L square T power minus 2 should be enclosed in square brackets. This is the dimensional formula for work done. Let us see the next one. Power. Power is equal to formula amount of work done per unit time, which is equal to, already here we got for work done. Directly I am writing here M L square T power minus 2 upon, here T is there. SI unit of time is second, and second is expressed in terms of capital T. This is the dimensional formula for time. So M L square T power minus 2 into, this T I am writing on the numerator. So T power minus 1, which is equal to M L square T power minus 2 and T power minus 1. Total it is T power minus 3. This is the dimensional formula for power. Let us see the next one. Force. Force is equal to formula mass into acceleration. Now write the SI unit for mass, kg, and for acceleration, meter per second square. So now write the dimensional formula. Kg is expressed in terms of capital M, meter is expressed in terms of capital L, and here it is second is expressed in terms of capital T. Here S power minus 2, so T power minus 2, which is equal to M L T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for force. Let us see the next one. Momentum. Momentum is denoted with the symbol P. P is equal to mv, mass multiplied by velocity. Write the SI unit for mass, kg, and for velocity, meter per second, S power minus 1. Now write the dimensional formula. Kg is expressed in terms of capital M, meter is expressed in terms of capital L, second is expressed in terms of capital T, power minus 1, which is equal to M L T power minus 1 should be enclosed in square brackets. This is the dimensional formula for momentum. And the next one is velocity. Formula for the velocity is displacement per unit time. Write the SI unit for displacement, meter, and for time, second, which is equal to meter into S to the power of minus 1. Just I have written second on the numerator. Now write the dimensional formula. Meter is expressed in terms of capital L, and second is expressed in terms of capital T, power minus 1, which is equal to, here mass term is absent, so M power 0, L, and T power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for velocity. Acceleration. Acceleration is denoted with a symbol small a, which is equal to formula velocity per unit time. Write the SI unit for velocity, meter per second. So m into s to the power of minus 1, and here for time, second, which is equal to m into s to the power of minus 2. Write the second on the numerator. So which is equal to, now write the dimensional formula. Meter is expressed in terms of capital L, and here second is expressed in terms of capital D. S to the power of minus 2 is there, so t power minus 2, which is equal to, here mass term is absent, so m power 0 into L into, here it is t power minus 2. M power 0 L t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for acceleration. The next one, density. Density is equal to formula mass per unit volume, which is equal to, write the S unit for mass kg and for volume meter cube, which is equal to kg. I am writing meter cube on the numerator, so m power minus 3. Now write the dimensional formula. Kg is expressed in terms of capital M, and meter is expressed in terms of capital L. M power minus 3, so L power minus 3. Time term is absent, so t power 0. Again I am writing m L power minus 3 t power 0. This is the dimensional formula for density. Next one is frequency. Formula for frequency is 1 upon t, time, number of vibrations per unit time. So which is equal to 1 by SI unit of time is second, which is equal to s to the power of minus 1. So here it is, mass term is absent, so m power 0, length term is absent, L power 0, and only second is there, so t power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for frequency. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.